What's up everybody, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Dogecoin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the important things of Dogecoin. What will be the next move? What's the price changes occurring in the Dogecoin? Is August month is good for a Dogecoin or not? Just introduce me, but guys, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos. The current price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.336419 USD dollar. Is the currently live price of the Dogecoin in the market. Other side, if you talk about the changes occurring in the Dogecoin, so you can see here last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occurring in the Dogecoin is completely going positive. Every day, every hour, every week, the changes is going positive. So guys, it's clear that from the 1st August and still the price is in the positive move, and I hope guys that to the last of August the price continue this kind of move, and if the last of August they will make you millionaire, they will give you a huge profit. So guys, personally I recommend for all of you to invest now in a Dogecoin because it is a profitable month for investment in the cryptocurrencies market. That's why I recommending for everybody to please invest now in every coin. And nowadays every coin is profitable for you, because annuities are cryptocurrencies. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VT, Shiba, Casio, Lowly, these all coin is about to make a huge move, is about to make a millionaire. So guys, invest in any coin. At this time, all coin is best for investment. Anyways guys, what do you think about Dogecoin? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about Dogecoin? And remember guys, if you are a Dogecoin holder, so my recommendation for you is that please hold to the last of August. You will get profit, not loss. So please do it. And guys, remember to subscribe our channel for more updates and news videos about cryptocurrencies market.